Hey everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur, and this tutorial is a part of the Mastering Shopify series. In this video, I will cover how to add staff members to your Shopify store. When running your e-commerce shop, you may need to have help with it. You may have an assistant or you may have managers that are working on your store. No matter the role, you will need to give them access to the shop and the places of the shop that you would like them to have access to. To do this, we will go to Settings. We will go to Plans and Permissions, and we'll see under Permissions that you are the store owner. You'll see your last login and your name, and then you will see staff accounts. Based on the plan that you have with Shopify, you will have a certain amount of plans of staff accounts available. For the basic Shopify, it's 2, and it goes up from there. You can always see which plan has what with the compare plans, and you'll see basic Shopify has 2, Shopify accounts give you 5, and advanced Shopify gives you 15 staff members. So once we get ready to add a staff member, you will need their name, first and last, and their email address. Then if they have full permissions, then you can leave this checked. Or if you only want them to have access to certain things, then you'll uncheck this and be able to select the permissions that they have. So if you don't click something in here, then they won't have access. So double check this before you send it off to your new staff member. And at any time, you could come back in and edit these settings and permissions. There's also a section for the point of sale access, where you can give them access to the point of sale. Once you do that, you will give them a role, which would be associate by default, but you can do limited permissions or full permissions. You can see the permissions that they are allowed to have, and you will be able to give them a PIN number to be able to log into the POS system. Once you add that staff member in, an email will be sent to them letting them know that they can now log in using their email and a password. So that is how to add staff members to your Shopify store. If this tutorial was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on Shopify.